Hey, what's going on? It's Rick here, and it's time for another Gear I Use video. This time, I'm talking about the Elgato Green Screen. So if you want to have a green screen, maybe you're a streamer and you want that green screen behind you, maybe you're doing something for business purposes, or maybe you're just a creative type and you want to fool around with different backgrounds. Green screens historically have been a little challenging to set up. You can go with the pop-up route. They pop up like a screen, and then you got to deal with folding them back closed. You can, of course, hang a cloth, but then you end up with wrinkles and you got to steam them out. Regardless, setup time takes a while. So the Elgato Green Screen, it sets up in about 5 seconds. It's that quick. You can tear it down in about 5 seconds as well. And it costs $159.95. Now, I'll link to it in the description down below. It's about the length of my arms extended. Of course, if you need something wider, you can pick up 2 of them. I've got a video review of this product on my channel, so I'm going to link it in the description down below. But I'm going to kind of duck down here and just open up the container here and show you how quickly it sets up. So it's got 2 clasps. I'm going to open those up, and then there is a handle here, and here we go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Boom. It's done. It's set up. And now check this out. That's how easy it is to chroma out. And it works exceptionally well. So you can chroma this thing out just like that. I'm using Final Cut 10, but of course you can use whatever program you choose. And it's so incredibly easy to use, really easy to set up, really easy to tear down. We're back, and I'm going to close this thing up. And I close the lid and we're done. So that's the Elgato Green Screen, $159.95. I don't think it's going to be beat. Like I said, the only con is if you need something wider, you might have to pick up 2. So it's available now. I'm going to link to it in the description down below. If you guys have questions, comments, feedback, let me know. Otherwise, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget, hit subscribe for even more content. I'll catch you guys next time.